make the
Have you
object in the
ever
image
wondered
move.
what it takes to create the watch on your wrist? It's not just a time-telling device. It's a miniature marvel of engineering and art. The story of wristwatches goes back over a century, evolving from simple timekeepers to complex machines. Today, we have everything from precise quartz watches powered by batteries, to intricate mechanical and automatic watches that run on gears and springs. In this video, we're going on an incredible journey to uncover exactly how a finely crafted watch is made, from a simple idea to a masterpiece you can wear. It all starts with a spark of inspiration. Before any metal is cut, designers spend hours sketching ideas on paper. They explore different shapes, styles, and functions, trying to create something unique. Once a concept is chosen, it's brought to life in the digital world using advanced CAD software. This is where the watch becomes a detailed 3D model. Designers meticulously plan every curve and every millimeter. They experiment with colors and materials. Will it be classic stainless steel, lightweight titanium, or luxurious gold? What about the glass? Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal is often the top choice. Every detail, from the case thickness to the lug width, is optimized to ensure the watch is not only beautiful but also comfortable to wear. This digital blueprint is the soul of the watch, guiding every step that follows. Once the design is finalized, it's time to make it real. The first step is creating a prototype. This physical model allows the team to see and feel the watch for the first time, making crucial adjustments before mass production begins. When the design is approved, the real manufacturing kicks off. Huge blocks of metal, like stainless steel, are fed into CNC machines.
Make
These
the object in the
computer-controlled
image
machines
move.
precisely carve out the watch case, following the 3D model with incredible accuracy. But the case comes out rough. It then goes to skilled artisans who begin the painstaking process of finishing. They polish the surfaces to a mirror-like shine, create sharp, defined edges, and apply beautiful bevels. This is where the watch truly starts to develop its character. After finishing, the case undergoes rigorous tests for hardness and water resistance to ensure it can withstand daily life. Now let's look at the face of the watch, the dial. This is where the watch tells its story. The process begins with a thin metal disc, which is then stamped or printed with intricate details. Tiny hour markers are carefully applied, sometimes by hand. The brand's logo is added, and for watches that need to be read in the dark, a special luminous paint is painstakingly applied to the markers and hands. Every dial is inspected under a microscope to ensure the printing is perfectly sharp and free of any flaws. The hands of the watch are just as important. They are precision cut from thin sheets of metal, then shaped and coated. It's a delicate balancing act to make sure they are lightweight enough not to strain the movement, yet strong enough to remain perfectly straight. A watch isn't complete without its strap or bracelet, which secures it to your wrist. For a metal bracelet, hundreds of individual links are meticulously assembled, polished, and connected to form a flexible and comfortable band. Creating a leather strap is a completely different art form. It starts with selecting the finest hides. The leather is then cut to shape, stitched with precision often by hand, and finally, the brand's logo is embossed onto the surface. Both processes require immense skill and attention to detail, ensuring the strap is not just functional, but also a beautiful extension of the watch itself. Whether it's the cool touch of metal or the warm feel of leather, the strap is the final handshake between the watch and its wearer. At the heart of every great watch is its movement, the engine that powers it. There are two main types, quartz and automatic. Quartz movements are battery-powered and incredibly accurate. Automatic movements, on the other hand, are a marvel of traditional watchmaking. They are powered by the motion of your body. As you move, a small weight called a rotor spins, winding a spring that stores energy. This energy is then released through a complex system of gears, shafts, and jewels, making the hands tick with mesmerizing precision. Assembling an automatic movement is an incredibly delicate task. Watchmakers in clean rooms, wearing special coats and gloves, use tweezers and microscopes to put together hundreds of tiny components. They apply specialized lubricants in minuscule amounts to ensure everything runs smoothly for years. It's a symphony of micromechanics. Now it's time for the final assembly. This is where all the separate, masterfully crafted components come together to become a complete watch. The movement is carefully installed into the watch case. The dial, with its hands already attached, is placed on top. Then, the crystal, either mineral or sapphire glass, is press-fitted into the case, sealing the watch from the elements. The crown and stem are inserted, allowing you to set the time. Finally, the strap or bracelet is attached to the lugs of the case with spring bars. Throughout this process, the watch is cleaned and polished repeatedly. Every surface is inspected to make sure it's perfect, without a single speck of dust or a fingerprint. It's a process that demands patience and a steady hand, but the journey isn't over yet. Before a watch can leave the workshop, it must pass a battery of grueling quality control tests. First, its accuracy is tested over several days in different positions to simulate real-world wear. Next, it undergoes shock resistance tests to ensure it can handle accidental bumps and drops. One of the most important tests is for water resistance. The watch is placed in a high-pressure water chamber to see if even a single drop of moisture can get inside. Finally, a watchmaker conducts a final microscopic inspection, looking for any cosmetic imperfections, dust under the crystal, or tiny scratches. Only the watches that pass every single one of these tests with flying colors are deemed ready for their new owner. The watch is now complete, tested, and polished to perfection. The final step is packaging. A premium watch comes with more than just the timepiece itself. The presentation box, the warranty card, and the instruction manual are all checked to make sure they are flawless. Often, an anti-counterfeit seal is applied to the packaging to guarantee authenticity. The watch is carefully placed in its box, ready and waiting for its journey to a retailer, and eventually, to you. From that first sketch on paper to the final sealed box, the creation of a watch is an incredible fusion of timeless craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a passion for detail. So the next time you look at your watch, remember the incredible journey it took. From the designers who dreamt it up, to the engineers who modeled it, and the skilled artisans who brought it to life piece by tiny piece. It's so much more than just a tool to tell time. It's a piece of wearable art, full of history and passion. We hope you enjoyed this peek behind the curtain of the watchmaking world. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into how things are made. Thanks for watching.